Hi guys, I hope you are doing great today. You are going to learn what is Kubernetes and what problem it solves. But before starting, did you watch my previous video in which I talked about microservices and their pros and cons? If you're new here, I'm Asan and I post Java tutorials on this channel. If you might be interested in watching those videos, consider subscribing to the channel. Watch this video till the end because I'm going to give you a bonus, so don't miss it and watch till the end. If you have any questions, comment down on this video. Let's start today's session. Kubernetes is a powerful open source platform that is used for automating the deployment, scaling and management of containerized applications. It was developed by Google and is now maintained by Cloud Native Computing Foundation. The problem that Kubernetes solves is the challenge of managing and scaling containerized applications in a production environment. Containers have become increasingly popular in recent years as they offer a lightweight and portable way to package and deploy applications. However, managing and scaling containerized applications can be difficult, especially at large scale. Kubernetes addresses this challenge by providing a set of powerful tools and APIs that allows you to easily deploy, scale, and manage containerized applications. Some of the key features of Kubernetes include automatic scaling. Kubernetes can automatically scale your application up or down based on demand. Self-healing. Kubernetes can automatically detect and recover from the failures in your application, ensuring high availability. Load balancing. Kubernetes can distribute incoming traffic across multiple instances of your application, ensuring that your application can handle high traffic loads. Guys, if you have any questions, comment down on this video to get your questions answered. Kubernetes also provides an abstract layer that allows you to manage your containerized application in a way that is agnostic to the underlying infrastructure. This means that you can run your application on any cloud provider or on-premises infrastructure and use Kubernetes to manage it. One of the major benefits of Kubernetes is its flexibility and extensibility. Kubernetes is built on a modular architecture, which means that you can easily add new features and functionality to your application using Kubernetes plugin architecture. In summary, Kubernetes is a powerful open source platform for automating the deployment, scaling and management of containerized applications. In the next video, I'm going to talk about 10 idea shortcuts Java developers should know. So subscribe to this channel now and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will be notified when I publish the video. Have fun guys.